Okay, you guys, welcome back. Today I'm gonna tell you about the Bow Vise I have and the new one I got. This guy right here that you see, I got it from bowgrip.com. You can loosen this guy so you can move the whole thing, this part around. You can move it up and down, and you can even move the head part as well. So that way, if you need to lean the bow forward, you can. And then if you want to lean it the other way, you will have to bring this guy, the head, facing that way, so you can lean it away from you. Plus, by loosening this part, you're able to rotate this guy all the way. Then you tie it back on to like keep it where you want to. Then depending on the limbs thickness, you might need to adjust it so it can be a little bit tighter or a lot looser. So that's where this part comes in from. You tie it in more for thinner limbs, and you loosen it for thicker limbs. Then when the vise is all set and you need to let it release, just press right here. See? You can screw 3 holes into your bench table to kind of like completely set it in place, or you can attach it to this part right here. Then you only need to place the 3 screws onto it, so then you're able to attach it to any table you want. Okay, and that's the Bow Vise from Bow Grip. It's an okay vise. Just it's easy to put on, so you can do your D-loop, peep side, all the standard stuff. But when it comes to leveling a side with a bow attached to it, it can become a little bit complicated. Well, not complicated, just more time consumer. Okay, so now we're gonna move away from this and to my newer one. So this one, I got it from Baker's Archery Products. The great thing about it was they had a Christmas special, so I took advantage. The one I got was the Vise Workstation Bundle with the micro adjustment. Normally $350, I got it for $305, free shipping. Okay, let's get the unboxing going. So this is how it came in. It said it will come in until Monday, but I got lucky because it came in yesterday. So when I opened it, I got a few parts. I got the main body. I got this part. I got these guys. 2 of them. Got a nub. This. And a sticker. And that's it. Oh, 2 more stuff. And I got these guys. 2 of these. Right here. Okay. So now, what you're asking yourself is, how are you gonna put it together if you don't have a manual? Well, the great thing about it is you don't get a manual. Plus, even when I went online to the website, it didn't tell me how to put it together. So I had to kind of figure it out myself. And the good thing is, I did. So I'll show you how to put it all together right now. Okay, let's put this guy together. So equipment you're gonna need: a wrench, tool, and that is all. Okay, so let's figure out what are these are used for. So this one are used, so these guys, if you have a last chance archery press, you can attach it to your press, and I'll show you how to install these guys. So today we'll do more of these guys because they're a little bit more complicated than using these guys. Okay, so now we got your knob and this part right here. So this part would be like your micro adjustment, but then how do you put it together? So first, let's remove all the four out of the way. Then when you hold your vise this way with this sticker facing up, you want to be careful how you attach this guy. You don't want to attach it like this, because then when it has pressure, it's just gonna open up on you. So you want to make sure this guy is this way, like that. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna get one of the screws and 4. Then you're gonna put your nut in the middle here and you screw it. This is the part you're gonna use so you can micro level your bow. So you put this guy almost all the way when you're almost even out that way. Okay, this guy is gonna go where the handle is. So this is the part you're gonna use to where you place your bow grip. And this one, you're gonna need, leave this guy right here, the 1/8. Yep. Okay, so first what we're gonna need is insert an Allen wrench all the way, and you put this guy into it. It is tight working, and just give it a good snub and release, and you're done. So you got your handle ready, you got the micro adjustment ready, and this part on the bottom. Okay, to install these guys, we will need to remove this guy out of the way. So easiest, you take away this guy, you just push it out of it. Oops. Need to remove that guy. Then push this guy out of the way. And bam. Okay. So now what you're gonna need to do is take away these, insert these guys. Then you can put this guy back. There you go. Then put your pick. And it's ready to go. And now we're gonna install it on my last chance archery bow press is the easy green. You never want to install it where the handle is. You do it on the other side. But this is just for the video and the practice wise. Okay, so you got your 4 screws done, your micro adjustment, and right here. So this part, all of this should be facing away from the easy press. So this way, we're gonna do it like this. So, bam, and there you go. Then you bring these guys and then you put them under it. You don't put them like this, you put them this way so it connects. One on the bottom. We have to put this guy like this. Okay. Then you get your knob. You can just finger tighten it right now. Then you do the other one. Then you do the other side. You might need to press it just in case. Doesn't want to go the way in. And then you can use wrenches to tie this guy in completely if you want. And that's it. And that's how you will install your bow press from Baker Archery into your Last Chance Archery bow press.